G'day, Mick from Z Grills Australia here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fire up and shut down your Z Grill smoker. Before firing up your Z Grill, check in the hopper to make sure you've got enough pellets, as there's nothing worse than running out mid-cook. It's super important to vacuum out your fire pot after every long cook or several shorter cooks, especially if you're using oak-based pellets, as they produce a lot more ash than Aussie hardwood pellets. Let's open the lid on the grill to get good airflow while we fire it up. To start up the grill, we turn the power switch on. We'll get the model number and the software version flashing on the screen there. We can then turn from shutdown to smoke, which starts that startup cycle. We can hear the fan sucking air from below here and forcing that through a set of holes into the fire pot. The auger motor is rotating intermittently on and off to drop pellets into the fire pot, and the ignition rod gets red hot to ignite those pellets to start the fire. About 2 to 3 minutes after turning the controller from shutdown to smoke, you'll see a cloud of smoke be released, and then you'll hear the roaring sound of the fire. At that point, you can shut the lid and turn the controller to your target temperature. Okay, we're up to temperature now, so we can now open the lid, throw our food in, quickly shut the lid. Remember to keep the lid closed as much as possible, because if you keep looking, you're not cooking and you're losing heat from the grill. Instead of opening the lid all the time to check your food, use a food probe like this one. It can go through the grommet in the side of the drum here, or just directly up under the lid is fine as well. To check the temperatures, just press on the food probe button here. It'll show you P1 and then P2 if you've got P2 plugged in as well, and then it'll go back to showing the grill temperature. If you want to remotely monitor the temperatures on your phone, you can grab one of the Inkbird iBBQ 4Ts. 4 temperature probes, magnetic, and that Wi-Fi connects to your phone. So even if you leave the house, you can still monitor your temperatures and set things like alarms as well. Now it's time to shut the grill down. Look at the temperature. If it's below 160 degrees Celsius, you can turn it directly to shut down. The fan will run for 10 minutes and then it'll turn itself off. If the temperature is much higher, above 160 degrees C, there's a big fire in the fire pot. So it's a good idea to turn it to smoke, let the grill run for 10 minutes to let that fire die down, and then you can turn it to shut down. Now it's important to make sure that you let the fan run for that full 10 minutes and then turn itself off. Don't turn the power switch off or unplug the grill until that fan has finished. We've got a knowledge center with stacks of information to help you get the most out of your Z Grill. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and enjoy cooking up on your Z Grill smoker. Now, if you thought this video was useful, feel free to give it a like and subscribe so you're notified of any new videos that we release. Cheers.